The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a snow squall warning for northern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Cottage Grove to New Glarus, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90. Locations impacted include Fitchburg, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Oregon, Jefferson, McFarland, Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Belleville, Deerfield, New Glarus, Cambridge, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Lake Ripley and Lake Koshkonong. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction.